Ever considered growing your own rosemary indoors? This aromatic and flavorful herb is not only easy to grow but also known for its medicinal properties, adding a dash of green to your interiors. Let's walk through the process. Start with the right pot. Rosemary loves well-draining soil, so a pot with a drainage hole is a must. Aim for an 8 to 10 inch diameter for one plant. Next, the soil. Slightly alkaline with a pH of 7 or higher and rich in nutrients. You can enhance the drainage by adding perlite or sand. Ready to plant? Fill your pot with soil, leaving an inch at the top. Gently place your rosemary's root ball in the center and surround it with soil. Remember, rosemary prefers dry soil, so water only when the soil feels dry and avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Sunlight is key. Place your pot in a window that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If not, LED grow lights can help. Keep the temperature between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and low humidity for the best growth. Don't forget to prune. Snipping off the top third of the stem encourages new growth. Harvest when your plant reaches 6 to 8 inches. Snip just above a set of leaves to encourage continuous growth. Lastly, look out for spider mites or white flies. A spray of water or insecticidal soap can easily handle them. That's it. Enjoy your fresh rosemary year-round, right at home.